Each nucleotide is composed of a phosphate, a deoxyribose sugar, and a nitrogen base. And these nitrogen bases can be cytosine, guanine, thymine, and adenine. Cytosine and guanine are held together by 3 hydrogen bonds, while adenine and thymine are comprised of 2 hydrogen bonds. Replication starts at a point of origin where a replication bubble forms and then a replication fork forms from the splitting. Topoisomerase is the enzyme that goes ahead of the replication fork, unwinding the DNA strand, and then helicase follows, breaking all of the hydrogen bonds. The breaking of these bonds forms 2 separate strands of DNA, and one of them is a leading strand and the other is a lagging strand. These are held apart by the single-stranded binding proteins which bind to the outside of the molecules. On the left side has primase come in, building in a 5 to 3 prime fashion as molecules anti-parallel in arrangement to the other side, which is the 3 prime to 5 prime. Primase then lays down an RNA primer for the enzyme polymerase to build off of. Polymerase grabs the free-floating nucleotides within the nucleus and binds them to its complementary base. This continues down towards the replication fork. Inside of your screen builds from a 5 prime to 3 prime fashion as well, but this is away from the replication fork. So primase must lay down RNA primer in what is called Okazaki fragments. Primase continues laying down Okazaki fragments backwards towards the replication fork, while polymerase follows, bringing free-floating nucleotides and laying them down in between the fragments and binding them to the sites. Polymerase then checks its work by moving backwards down the strand, replacing the RNA fragment sections with the DNA nucleotides, and binds the nucleotides at the Okazaki fragment sites and seals these nucleotides together. Each daughter molecule now has 50% of its parent's DNA. This is representative of a semi-conservative model. Each strand is then twisted into a double helix formation. Deoxyribose sugars and phosphates acting as the backbone.